my great challenge. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? I have a giveaway for you today. This is a Cosori Pressure Cooker. It's also a multi-cooker, a rice cooker, a browning. You can do yogurt, you can do soup, stews, you name it. It's a fantastic pressure cooker. I'm going to do a recipe for you, and then I'll tell you everything you need to know about how you can win your own pressure cooker. Guys, I'm so excited. Cosori, you know, they sent me multi-cooker a couple of months ago, and they wanted me to do a review on their pressure cooker, and they sent it to me, and I told them, okay, fine, I'll do a review, but I want to give away, and there is a giveaway for you guys, so you can win this fantastic pressure cooker. So let me give you a quick tour. If you are not familiar to pressure cookers, this is basically the same thing as an Instapot. Stop button, cancel button on off right here. There's a delay start. You can keep warm. You can change the cooking time manually if you want to. You can adjust pressure temperature. Now what does it do? It does meat and stews, poultry, soup, beans and chili, white rice, brown rice, multigrain, steamed vegetables, slow cook, yogurt, pasta. You can boil pasta. You can steam potatoes. You can have a hot pot in it if you want to keep stuff hot. You have a saute and browning option, a baking and a reheat option. How about that? It's the same thing than most pressure cooker as we know them. It has a very, very large lid. The valve is right here. And then the great thing about it is that it is a stainless steel insert. My other pressure cooker has a Teflon one and it's all busted. So I really needed a new one. Super happy. Let me show you the accessories that come with it. They send it to you with a different lid. This is the lid you'll use if you want to do rice or pasta. And they also send it to you with this tray here that allows you to do baked potatoes or steamed vegetables. And then there's all the manuals. So there is, of course, the warranty and the thank you card. There's a quick startup reference guide with the cooking time on it. There's a whole bunch of recipes in there. I mean, really a whole bunch of recipes. You can do healthy rice, cilantro, lime rice. Does it look familiar? This kind of stuff you find at Chipotle. So these are all the rices: baba ganoush, hummus, lemon garlic chicken, spring veggie, risotto, general sour chicken. I didn't know I could make my own. You can put a whole chicken in there if you want to do a whole roaster. There's some Indian recipes, braised pork shoulders, you name it. And then this is the actual manual. So again, this is a 6-quart pressure cooker. I really like it. I've been using it for a couple of days. I'm going to let go of my old one because the pot, as I mentioned, is all busted. So what recipe am I doing today? Well, if you watch my Weight Watchers videos, you know that I'm on Weight Watchers, and I have this Weight Watchers Freestyle Instant Pot cookbook. So it's to use with the Instapot, and guess what? It's the same thing than the Cosori pressure cooker I'm doing a demo on today. And this I found on Amazon. There's a link down below if you want to find your own. There's a whole bunch of recipes including dessert, but today I am making this one: delicious teriyaki pork tenderloin. So let me go through the list of ingredients and let's start cooking. Time to grab your pen and paper. Here are all the ingredients for the teriyaki tenderloin. We need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 garlic cloves that are going to be minced. You can have a small onion or half of a yellow onion. I'm adding parsley because I like fresh herbs in all of my meals. This is a boneless pork tenderloin. We're going to cut it in strips. They recommend that you use chicken stock. I am switching to unsalted because I don't want to add any salt. We're going to need some black peppercorn, 4 chili peppers. I bought the paste. That's going to do exactly the same thing. And then you need some teriyaki sauce, a half a cup. And again, I picked the less sodium variety of it, trying to cut on the salt here. And you need 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, but I bought the Splenda brown sugar. So this recipe is 6 points on Weight Watchers for 1 serving, and it's probably going to be more like 4 points after I'm done, since I've adjusted to unsalted chicken broth, less sodium teriyaki sauce, and the Splenda brown sugar blend. Okay, let's get cooking. I've just plugged in the pressure cooker. I'm going to pick the saute and brown option and click the on button, and you see I got the marching ants here, and my pot is starting to heat up, and I'm just going to add the oil and brown my pork tenderloin in the pot. This is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So after a few minutes, this is hot. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my pork in it, and I'm going to let it saute for about 5 minutes. What I want is for the pork to brown on all sides. So I have my pork pretty much sauteed and cooked on almost every side. It's been 5 minutes. Just gonna go ahead and add my onions and my garlic. Now I'm following the recipe that's in the book. I'm going to follow the recipe. Let that saute for another 5 minutes, and I'm adding the equivalent of half a cup of fresh parsley, and now it's time for the other ingredients. So we have peppercorn. You add to taste. That's plenty. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the chili pepper stirring paste. And since I have kids and the little guy doesn't eat a lot of spicy food, I'm gonna do a half, or maybe a little bit more. If you like spicy food, just add as much as you want. This is half a cup of low sodium teriyaki sauce. Just a half cup. adding 1 cup of no sodium chicken broth. And this is 1/4 cup of my Splenda brown sugar. Again, the recipe calls for regular brown sugar, but I'm adding the Splenda because I'm trying to cut on points, okay? So now what I need to do is stop that function because I'm still on the saute function. So I'm just gonna stop and cancel. I'm gonna go ahead and close the lid. And I'm gonna leave it on self-steam. So I have the steam button still open, and I'm going to put it on stew, and I'm going to adjust the time to 20 minutes. Right, and start. I am done. So what's gonna happen now is that basically this is gonna cook on its own. It's gonna make it a stew. It gives me plenty of time to clean up the mess that I've created. And in 20 minutes, I'll come in and then I'll open the cooker. Now, what do you do with it? You can serve it on baked potatoes. You can serve it on rice, on pasta, on a bed of vegetables. You can serve it cold if you want on a salad. It's actually pretty good. I like the teriyaki sauce in it, but you definitely want to choose the low sodium option, especially if you have blood pressure issues. But this pressure cooker here is really neat. It really is. I like it better than the other ones that I had. And the other one, my problem was that the valve was leaking, or the gasket. And Evine, where I bought it, doesn't do it anymore. And I cannot find, for the life of me, I can't find a new gasket. This machine, by the way, came in with a separate gasket, so you already have a replacement one. You know, seal for the lid for future use, and it came with these two here. These are 2 more. Let me close this so you can see that open. And it came with 2 more little accessories. You get a little ladle and the traditional rice scooper, I guess. So we're gonna let that cook. I'll see you in a second. So when you're cooking it's done, it goes automatically into keep warm, and it's gone 5 minutes now onto the keep warm. So what I'm going to do is release the pressure, and you just got to move, let me move this so it doesn't hit my microwave. You just got to move your little plug right here. And you know, if you're worried about the pressure cooker exploding in your face, just want to let you know that you cannot open the lid if there's still pressure inside the cooker. So these are very, very safe. Seriously, this is not like your grandma's pressure cooker that just blows up into the ceiling, okay? So this is done. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It smells really good. It really does. And I am going to serve myself a little bit so I can try it. And what I'm going to do is just grab the meat and drain the juice that's in it, because there's a lot of juice that came out, and that makes it perfect for over rice or over some linguine. So this is what it looks like. Let's try it. Yum. And again, it smells really good. And again, this is only 6 points for a full serving. A full serving is a little bit over what I just made. Oh man, the pork is literally falling apart. This is really good. Oh, I love it. I'm definitely making that again. I'm waiting for Scott to come in. This is really good, you guys. I'm very surprised. Wow. Oh, and Edward wants to try it too, right? You guys coming in to try it?
What?
You want to try it?
Yeah. Came down here for that explicit purpose. Also to get some clothes.
Okay. Try this. Teriyaki pork loin.
Oh, is it filming me?
Yeah.
You're filming me right now? Is this part sped up or... No, it wouldn't be.
No.
Oh, that is so good.
You're lying.
I'm not lying. This is good.
You like it?
I'm going to keep eating it.
Alright.
Do.
I'll give a piece to your dad. Hold on.
Okay, now give me more.
You're gonna finish it? Finish the bowl. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good. A little mild though.
A little mild, I didn't put enough chili pepper in it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So next time I'll put more chili pepper. I think this is really, really, really good. I can see that.
Is there more of this?
Yeah, there's more of this. There's a whole pot worth of it.
Thank God.
You want more?
Not right now.
Okay. All right. So this was my demo of the Cosori pressure cooker with a family testing. Everybody likes it, including me. I have plenty. I mean, this was a big big tenderloin that I got. But you're more interested in the giveaway now, aren't you? So this is what you got to do for the giveaway. That's it. You just go down below. There's a link. It's going to take you straight to a giveaway page that was put together by the Cosori people for my great challenge. So you just enter your name. Guys, I'm sorry, this is US only. I have to let you know. The reason why they're doing that is because their warehouse for the pressure cookers in the US and they don't ship overseas. So maybe one day I'll be able to do one that's international, but for now, this pressure cooker giveaway is only for US residents. I hope you enjoyed this quick recipe. If you have an Instapot or a pressure cooker from any other brand, including this one, maybe you want to try this recipe. Again, I got it from that Weight Watchers Freestyle Instapot cookbook that's on Amazon, link down below. I hope you will enter the giveaway. I wish everybody a good luck, and it's going to last for 2 weeks. We're gonna do it until March 15. How about that? Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.